Okay, now we will see how to construct involute of a circle. Now first let us see what involute is. Involute is what actually the involute is. In this we have a circular disc, and around that circular disc we have to wound or unwound inelastic string. So there are three cases. Length of the string is equal to the circumference of the circle. Length of the string is more than the circumference of the circle and less than the circumference of the circle. So now we will discuss these three cases and we will see how to construct involute of a circle. So first case we'll see that is involute of a circle having the string length equal to the circumference of the circle. So based upon the given dimensions, we have to first draw a circle of given diameter, and we have to divide that circle into the 8 number of equal parts, and we have to name it as like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After this we have to calculate the circumference of this circle, as here the string length is equal to the circumference of the circle. So we have to find out the circumference of the circle, and from its base circumferential point, lower circumferential point, we have to draw a horizontal line of equal to the circumferential length, and we have to divide that line also into the 8 number of equal parts. This length is 8, a to p distance is equal to pi d, and we have to divide that into the 8 number of equal parts, and we will name it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now when we start wounding, when it goes from A to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 on a circular disc, string goes from A to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 on a circular disc. When it moves from A to 1, 1/8 portion of that inelastic string will be wounded. When it goes to 1 to 2, another 1/8 portion will get wounded. It means that we have to wound. So before that we have to draw the tangents through the points on a circle. Like this we have to draw the tangents. Now after this, along these tangents we have to mark the points. Now when it reaches to 1 on a circular disc, already A to 1 is covered, so we have to take 1 to p distance in a compass, 1 to p of the string length, and we have to mark it along the tangent passing through 1. Then 2 to p distance in a compass, 2 to p distance in a compass, and we have to mark it along the tangent through 2. Same is the case for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last point will be the point 8. After getting these points, we have to join it by using French curve this way. So this is the involute and path traced by the free end of inelastic string. Now we will see another case with minor changes, that is length of the string more than this length of circumference of the circle, more than the circumference of circle. So in this here also you will be given one circle with some diameter, circular disc with some diameter. So first we have to draw that circle with that given diameter. We have to divide it into the 8 number of equal parts, and we have to name it as like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then through point 8 we have to draw one, or not visible but still you can see that. So that is pi d distance, not pi d. So length of the string here, suppose it's given as 165 mm, which will be more than pi d. Along this string we have to mark pi d distance, that will be equal to the pi d circumference of the circle. And now we have to divide pi d distance into 8 number of equal parts, not the whole string but only the length equal to circumference of the circle. We have to divide that into 8 number of equal parts, and then we name it as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After that, in the same way, we have to draw the tangents through 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And to mark the distances on this, we have to take the distance from 1 to p to 1 to p, mark it along the on the tangent passing through 1, take 2 to p distance in a compass, mark it along the tangent passing through 2, then 3 to p, 4 to p, 5 to p, 6 to p, 7 to p and 8 to p distance in a compass, and you will get the point not exactly on 8, but again it will be along the string. So after that you have to join all these points by using French curve. So this way I think point P has gone something wrong there, but you have to join that point. This is not by taking the actual dimensions. So there also you have to join that point P. Okay, now moving further with less length of, so here as you can read, draw involute of a circle, string length is less than the circumference of circle. So again, circle will be given, circular disc will be given with some diameter, so you have to draw the circle of given diameter. You have to divide that into the 8 number of equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, through the that bottom point 8. You have to draw the length equal to the given length. Sorry, this is not the given length. This is the given length of string, that is 150 mm. In this case it is less than, suppose it is less than the circumference, and pi d is more than the length of string. So here we have to divide the pi d distance into 8 number of equal parts, not the length of string. We have to divide pi d distance into 8 number of equal parts. Remaining procedure remains the same, that we have to draw the tangents to all these points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and after that we have to mark the distances from 1 to p, 2 to p, 3 to p, 4 to p, 5 to p and 6 to p, and after that 7 to p. And okay, so 8 point will not come into the picture, it will end at 7 only, and then after between 7 to 8, and after this we have to join these points by using French curve. That's it. These are the 3 cases which are in our SPPU syllabus, involute of a circle. Thank you very much.